Hello superstar, welcome to lesson 18. Whoa. It says I can model subtraction of 8 from teen numbers. So quickly let's begin again. Now we have what we call the code call. Alright, now we are taking away 9 from numbers, from teen numbers. I'm going to show you a flashcard and then I will code call a student or a group of students to answer. So any flashcard I show to you, tell me the answer. 13 minus 9, 4. 12 minus 9, 3. 18 minus 9, 9. 16 minus 9, 7. Very good. 17 minus 9, 8. Very good. 19 minus 9, 10. Clap for yourself. Alright, now we have what's called the hide zero number sentences. Now say an addition sentence with 10 as an add-in. Say the number the certain way and the regular way. You can see that we have 19 here. I'll say it the certain way and the regular way to show that I have 10 and another number coming together to form one number. So this is 19 as the regular way and the certain way is 10 9. Or about 15, 10 5. Or about 11, 10 1. That's 10 and 1. You can see that. What about 17, 10 7. Very good. What about 13, 10 3. And what about 18, 10 8. You can see 10 and the other number comes together to form a teen number. Very good. Alright, now we have the number path. Put your counter on 8. Now let me do that. I'm on 8 now. How many spaces do you need to move to land on 10? So I will move 1, 2. Oh, I'm in 10 now. Now let's check. Move on your counter to 10. Like we did. How many? 2. You see that? Now write an equation to show what you did. So what did we do? It's very simple. 8 that we were in before plus how many times did we move? 2. And gives us what? 10 because we landed on 10. Very good. So this is what we did. Alright. Now let's take another example. Put your counter on 4. Yeah, and 4. Now how many spaces do you need to move to land on 10? So let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ooh, so 4, where I started from, plus I moved 6 times equals to where I am now, 10. Very good. So that's what we did. Let's take just one more before we move on to application problem. Are you ready? Now we have this. Put your counter on 7. On what? On 7. So I'm on 7 now, and I will move until I get to 10. So let's count. 1, 2, and 3. I'm in 10 now. So that means I have my 7 plus I move 3 times equals to where I am now, 10. Very good. Very good. Alright, so over to application problem. Now Juliana rolls 8 cars down a ramp. If she started with 15 cars at the top of the ramp, how many cars does Juliana still have at the top of the ramp? So she rolls 8 cars down a ramp. But don't forget, when reading the story, you have to look for the teen number, because that's what we're going to break into 10 and the other part, the certain way. So the teen number we have here is 15. That's the total number of cars at the top of the ramp. So I'll write my 15 out, or draw my 15 out using my 5 group drawings. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now she rolls 8 cards down around, so I'll cross out the 8. Very good. How many cards does Juliana still have at the top of the round? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, she has 7 cards at the top of the round. 7 is my answer. What's the number sentence? 15 minus 8, I crossed that, equals to what's left? 7. We're done, or we are done with that. Here we have 11 minus 8. Now let's use our fingers to solve first, then we will use 5 group drawings to solve. So using our fingers, we count on, don't forget, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's what? 3. That's what? 3. Well, let's use 5 group drawings to solve and see if we'll get the same answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. I'll cross out my words. 8. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the same answer. 3. You see that? We got the same answer. 3. Clap for yourself. And let's move on to the next example. 16 minus 8. Let's use our fingers to solve as usual, and then we use the 5 group drawings to solve. So let's go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So I got 16, right? But how many fingers are up? 8. Very good. How many fingers are up? 8. Very good. Now let's solve these using the 5 group drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget I'm counting 16. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I will cross out my words. Cross out my 8. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see we got the same answer with this. Alright, so let's move on to the next, which is 13 minus 8. 13 minus what? 8. Now, as usual, we'll solve with our fingers. So let's go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers are up? 5 fingers. Very good. Now let's use the 5 group drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13. Because 13 is 10, 3. So I drew my 10 and my 3. Now I'll cross out my what? My 8. Yes. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. You can see we got the same answer. Alright, let's take just one more before we move on to our problem set. We have 17 minus 8. Now let's use our fingers to solve again, and then we use 5 group drawings, don't forget. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So how many fingers are up? 9. So that means 17 minus 8 gives us 9. Very good. Now 5 group drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. How many will I cross out? 8. Very good. So how many are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can see the same answer that we got. Alright. So over to our problem set for today's class. Match the pictures with the number sentences. 13 minus 5 or 13 minus 8 equals 5. So where do we have 13 as the whole? 10 3. Where? Let's see. Oh, we have it right here. So I'll march to where I'm seeing 13. Alright? So where I'm seeing what? 13, which is 10 3. And then you can see that I crossed out the 8. And let's move on. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So where do I have 14? 10 4. Where do I have 10 4? Oh, I have 10 4 right in front of these. You see that? Now what about C? 17 minus 8. Where do I have 17? Oh, I have it right up here. You see that? Now where do I have D, which is 18 minus 8 equals to 10? Where do I have 10 8? I have it right in front of, yeah. You see that? That's 18 minus 8, 10 8. Then the last one, which is E. Where do I have E? E is right here, because it's 10 6, and I crossed out my 8. And that is going to be all for today's class. Hope it was fun. See you in our next class. Bye.